Subhakas and my dear friends. Heavens, I'm definitely gonna miss this. I'd like to start by saying that this is a huge, huge honor. For you all to be here listening to me. Frankly, I'm in no position to give you advice about your future, just because I'm really effective at using Google and Spark Notes. Bottom line, I'm not any more prepared than any of you here to encounter a responsibility. I mean, I'm 5'3" and I use this tool. I'm still waiting for puberty. We will now be entering the fabled real world. Armed with all the knowledge we gained in high school, like identifying mitochondria and dividing polynomials and analyzing 18th century poetry, things adults do all the time in their daily lives. The sole reason I stand here this day is you, Sister Suprita, and of course our wonderful teachers. I can never be grateful enough for the family you are to me. Sister Swati, we miss you. And thank you for I would like to thank all of you from the bottom of my heart. But for you, my heart is now bottom. To all the incredible juniors out there, whatever we do, whoever we are, wherever we stand, we owe all of it to our teachers. Respect them, love them, and most importantly, greet them in the corridors. My Thanksgiving speech would definitely not be complete if I failed to acknowledge Shalini ma'am, Ekta ma'am, Samta ma'am, and Sakirat sir, without whom I would not have been able to figure what I wanted from life. For all the didis and bhaiyas here, आप ना होते तो हम ना होते. आपके शुक्रगुजार हैं हम और आपसे करते प्यार हैं हम. When you hear this, thank you Mama and Papa for being who you are and for keeping up with a messy, ungrateful, and pretty much unnecessary child. Like my younger brother. Okay. So he's my taller than me but younger than me brother. I just want you to know that you're more of a curse than a blessing, but I would not trade you for the world. I love you. The next thank you is long overdue. Yeah, okay, you can do that. The next thank you is long overdue. Thank you, Jessica, and I'm sorry I missed your speech, but I owe you. And thank you, Pratay Han, for doing everything you did for me. So I have a pretty long list of people I need to thank here. Please bear with me. Okay. Ashita. Yeah, please just wave if you're there. Achirabha. Palak, Arvi, Rhea, Nandini, Ishita, Kushkira, Bhavya, Niharika, Asham, Anahat, Harpriya, and all of you right there. I wouldn't have survived a year without you. Okay. रिश्तेदारी ने जमड़ मैंने मिल गया ने शुक्र है अब बता यार आप चुनी देने. I'm extremely thankful to the school cabinet for being a wonderful team and for the terrific experiences we've had this year. I hope you know what I mean. Most importantly, my favorite people in school, my juniors. Especially grade 10 right there. You're basically the reason behind my high attendance records in school. I love you too. You deserve the world and continue doing the good work always. You weren't given you forever, within the numbered days. And for that, I'm eternally grateful. I guess on one hand, the real world can be daunting. It can be scary. But on the other hand, it can be motivating or inspiring even. The real world is a chance for us to make goals, to reach goals, to capitalize opportunities, to reconcile regrets, to venture into the unknown, and to, I'll let you fill in the blank. The real world can be tough, it doesn't get any easier, but it's up to you to make it better. And hey, this is high school and talking about the future. So enjoy the moment, cherish your memories, and celebrate but in a very parent-approved way. Now, at the end of our careers as students, we have an opportunity. Now is the time to take on the world and to find and pursue our passions, to quote-unquote leave a legacy. William Shakespeare and also Channing Tatum once said, "Some are born great, some achieve greatness, and some have greatness thrust upon them." In life, we can't always count on being born great or having greatness thrust upon us. But the chance to achieve greatness is within our grasp. Do not claim to be who you're not. For instance, do not say you're lactose intolerant only because you're a milk racist. Here comes something I heard from an incredible speech last year. The lion is not the strongest animal. Oh, I'm sorry, I missed it. Oh yeah, it's okay. The lion is not the strongest animal. The elephant is. Lion is not the fastest animal. Cheetah is. The tallest, giraffe is. The lion is not even the most intelligent animal. Fox is. So what makes the lion the king of all other animals? It's attitude. Voici la partie où je fiche mon français. This technically translates into, okay, so I'm going to flaunt my French here. That's what it translates into. Tout ce que je veux dire n'est jamais tout à fait. Suivez-vous rêves et aimez-vous pour vous êtes. Je souhaite tout le succès, l'amour et la vie pour vous tous. I decided on not mentioning what I'm going to miss, but I can't not do it today. I'll miss walking down the hallways because having not been through Carmel, I would not have been the woman I am this day. रास्ता मंजिल दिखाने वाला एक वो खूबसूरत सफर था. कोई और नाम मत देना उसे, वो दूसरा मेरा घर था. नहीं पता था हमें वो लास्ट टाइम हम साथ में बिता रहे थे. टीचर्स को पढ़ाते हुए हम आखिरी बार देख रहे थे. रोज सुबह क्लास 12A में जाने की आदत पड़ गई थी. वो यादें कुछ इस तरह खुद से जुड़ गई थी. क्लास फोटोग्राफ वो आखिरी थी जिसमें आखिरी बार सब साथ दिखे थे. पैंट से ट्रैक सूट तक का सफर, यारी का मतलब भी सीखा इधर. इसे स्कूल कह लो या कह लो घर. Class of 2019, it's been a hashtag splendid time with you, and from the bottom of my heart, I wish you success and the very, very best. This is Tanisha Sharma, asking you for the last time. Thank you.